afternoon, everybody. How's it going? All right, everybody. We are joined by the one and only Harrison right here with Southern Soul Barbecue. Harrison,
everybody.
take it away.
Hello, everybody. Today, cooking on Green Mountain. Thank God, because they're pretty easy. Started with a pork butt. I'm gonna use Southern Soul Barbecue. Rub on it. Let them sit out. Set your Green Mountain to 225, 250. The great thing about the Green Mountain, it'll tell you when it's done. You don't have to keep coming back and checking it and checking it and checking it. And it'll keep the same temperature the whole time. I cook my butts to 190 degrees. And what we did on the Green Mountains is I smoked the bacon and I smoked the sausage. Both were really easy. I can put them on an hour and a half and they'll both be done. You can cook as low or as high as you like. And this dish is an old low country dish from South Carolina. The way you make the soul bowl is you do the collard greens and the hoppin' john and the pulled pork. Man, y'all are great.